Hi, I would just like to get everyone's attention. I am Shaylin Allison. I am Blank's oldest daughter. I would like everyone to raise their glasses. This toast goes out specifically to my dearest mother. We would not be here today if it was not for her. You can see, looking around this table, the preparation and the execution of this meal is hands down absolutely immaculate. My mother is one of the hardest working people I've ever met. And it will show in this meal, I promise you. She is a homemaker through and through. She raises our family. She takes care of all four of us and all of you extended members. She is the lifeline. She is the human that we all count on. And as you can see today, the meal will not disappoint. My mother is not only a beautiful person on the outside, but she's even more beautiful on the inside. I cannot attest to a more deserving person than my mother for being so God-sent. Everything she does, the loyalty she holds, is simply unmatched and remarkable. I hope that she has had the ability to leave her mark on the rest of you in the same way that she has me, but I doubt that because she is my favorite person. And to that, I ask that you all raise your glasses with me and help toast to the most wonderful person in this room and frankly in my life as a whole. Here's to you, Mommy. I love you.